Well, good morning, friends and church family. Just a short instruction for tomorrow for our singing. We will be using, like what we have done in the past, this hymn book, Sacred Selections for the Church. And if you don't have this hymn book, we can use the AIM app, and actually tomorrow it will be a marriage between the AIM app and the songbook, which we have done in the past. So if you have the Samsung Galaxy, just go to the Play Store, this app right here, click that and download it. And once you're there, go to the app itself and then click the Devo songs. And here in this, there's a lot of songs here, both old and new ones. But for easier access, just click the search bar and just type in the title like that. For example, 10,000. Then there it is. It will bring you to the song. Or if you have the iPhone, same process. Go to the App Store right there. Type the title of this app, AIM app, or Adventures in Ministry. It will bring you to that app. Click download. In this case, just open, because my wife has already downloaded it. So that's the app itself. And for tomorrow's singing, this will be the list of songs. We will first sing My Savior's Love, and then Standing on the Promises. And Holy Ground is not on the songbook, so that's in the AIM app. And then The Gospel is for All. And then another song, Jesus Owe the World to Me, which is also in the AIM app. And then Jesus is Lord and How Deep the Father's Love. Both of these songs are not on the songbook, so we will rely on the AIM app tomorrow. And then The Shelter in the Time of Storm for our closing song, which is also in the AIM app. So there you go. We're excited to see you tomorrow, and hopefully it will be a great time of singing. And also, Brother Mark will give us a much needed lesson for us tomorrow. Have a good day. See you tomorrow.